Here comes another one straight at you. This one's about a dog show. We're still talking about this equations and expressions standard, where you can create equations based on a word problem and then go ahead and solve them. Okay, lots of different skills involved here. At a dog show, the number of poodles is 17 more than half the number of Great Danes. Together, there's a total of 68 of these two kinds of dogs. Write, solve, and proof equations to find out how many of each dog were at the show. Stop the video, do the work, and I'll see you in a couple of minutes. All right, here we go. I'm going to start with green this time. I'm going to circle our variables. Poodles is, there's your equal sign, there's 17. You can kind of see what's going on now. Poodles is 17 more than half the number of Great Danes. Together, there's a total of 68. So poodles and Great Danes, 68. Just like we do every single time in a problem like this, we're going to substitute what we have because we need to solve for a single variable. It makes it easier to fill in the blanks and solve the other variable later. So I'm going to substitute 1/2 g plus 17. That's the 17 more than half Great Danes. That's the number of poodles. And the Great Danes equals 68. Combine like terms. Even if you're not going to write these steps down, the words every time, please make sure you're thinking this, because that just gives you a nice orderly way of doing things. Okay, think, combine like terms. Then we've got 3/2 g, right? Because I have 1/2 and a g is the same as 2/2, right? So that makes 3/2. 1.5 g plus 17 equals 68. Balance that equation. Right, we're going to take 17 away from both sides. 3/2 g equals 51. We're going to divide both sides by 3/2, which, if you're unsure about how to get rid of a fractional coefficient, you should definitely watch my video on that topic. But the quick and dirty solution here is we're going to flip and multiply. Grip it and flip it. How about that? So we go 51 times 2/3, right? You see how that got switched? That equals 102 over 3, which equals 34. Whoa, sorry about that. I was not looking. You were looking, but you didn't see anything. Okay. Hopefully you got caught up now. 34. That's the number of Great Danes. We just solved for that. We think. We still have to do a proof, right? But to find the poodles, we're going to take 1/2 of that answer, right? And add 17. 1/2 of 34 is 17. And then we add 17 to that, we get 34. Wait a minute. Is that possible? Well, sure it is. Let's do the proof. Poodles and Great Danes are supposed to equal 68. We already know that poodles is 1/2 of Great Danes plus 17, so that is 34. Through the magic of number manipulation, we had a problem that sounded like there might have been different quantities of animals, but it was actually the same exact quantity of both. So the correct answers are 34 poodles and 34 Great Danes. Crazy. Hey, thanks for watching, and you can bet there'll be more to come. Please send me your suggestions or comments if you've got a topic you don't find on my channel. I'd love to make a new video just for you.